Welcome to Pharma Tutor YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our Pharma Tutor YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more new videos. In this video, we are going to learn about the basics of human anatomy and physiology, which are the terminologies. So, first, for why we have to know these basic terminologies? And what's the use of that? From the ancient days, anatomists use a common language referring to body structures and functions. The correct anatomical terminology allows people to communicate efficiently, effectively, and accurately. Body positions. The main positions includes the body to be erect, feet on floor and slightly apart, head and palms facing towards. Let's move on to the directional terms. Superior and inferior. Superior refers to above, top, towards head, and inferior refers to below, bottom, and away from head. In simple, superior means higher and inferior means lower. Medial means towards the midline. Lateral means away from midline. Intermediate represents between medial and lateral. Proximal refers to nearest to the origination. Distal represents furthest to the origination. Superficial meaning towards the surface. Deep represents towards the core of the body. These are the basic directional terms. Over to the next, there is one more term named descriptive term, which involves visceral and parietal. Visceral means pertaining to a covering over an organ, and parietal means pertaining to a covering against a cavity wall. So, these are the basic directional and descriptive terms that you have to know very well. These are very simple terms and very essential one for all medical field students. Thanks for listening and watching our channel. Please do subscribe our channel and share. Meet you soon with another set of basic terminologies. Until then, see you, bye.